In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear responses in Microsoft Forms. Whether you've collected data for an event, a survey, or a quiz, there often comes a time when you may need to start fresh. This could be before reusing the form for a new group or just to declutter your stored data. So, let's dive into the process, step by step, ensuring that you understand each part of the way. First things first, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can do this directly by going to the official Microsoft Forms website or simply by typing Microsoft Forms into your search bar. This should take you straight to the Microsoft Forms homepage, where all the magic happens. Once you're on the site, the next step is to sign in. You'll need to enter your Microsoft account credentials to access your forms. Make sure you're using the account that has the forms you wish to modify. If you haven't used Microsoft Forms before, you might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout and features. Next, you'll want to open your specific form within Microsoft Forms. By now, you should see a list of forms you've created under your account. Simply click on the form you're working with and it will open up, displaying all its details and responses collected so far. If your list of forms is quite extensive, you can use the search function to locate the one you need quickly. Now, once you have your form open, direct your attention to the navigation tabs. You'll want to click on the View Responses tab. This tab is dedicated to showing you all responses that have been submitted for the form. It's a powerful feature because it allows you to see insightful data at a glance, something that can be invaluable when processing your information. Once you're viewing the responses, look for the three dots, which represent more options, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you will see an option labeled Delete All Responses. Clicking this will initiate the process to clear out all the responses that have been gathered in this form. After selecting Delete All Responses, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your action. This step is particularly important because once you proceed, the responses will be permanently deleted. Carefully review your decision, and if you're absolutely sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully cleared all responses from your form, leaving it ready to start collecting new data. Remember, deleting responses is permanent, so ensure you truly want to erase this information before proceeding. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your forms more efficiently.